live look at our Valley Skycam and the flakes up in the sky. And as they try to fall from the clouds, our thick, dry air mass below, not allowing them to reach the ground. But down to the south, that is not the case. They've been reaching the ground in earnest in that general direction. Here's a look at temperatures. The coolest air to the north and west now as it builds in behind the system. 28 Valley City and Langdon. Looking off to the east, though, we have temperatures in the mid and even upper 30s and still warm enough for some areas to see some rain mixing in. But as the cold air continues to flow around this system and wrap its way in, it is certainly going to shift to all snow. 34 out at Hector right now. Winds gusting to 26 miles per hour. We have had gusts in Fargo over 30, and that's the main problem with this system for us is gusty winds and cooler than average temperatures, to say the least. A lot of thunder snow across the eastern half of South Dakota as we've headed through the afternoon and evening hours. South Dakota, the hardest hit so far today. We're starting to see that moisture push up into central Minnesota. Southern Minnesota still rain, but as we mentioned, that colder air sagging farther southward in our area from Sisseton and the Roberts County area through the southern Otter Tail County and Wadena County areas. Radar showing snow, but looking at cameras, not all areas seeing snow reaching the ground at this time. This storm stretches all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. The red boxes you see here, tornado watches, a number of those, and thunderstorm watch for parts of western Iowa, as well as a tornado watch there. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. When you see these lines called isobars, they're the pressure. That's what causes the air to move. And the closer they are together, the bigger the change in pressure, the faster the wind is blowing. Wind at gusts over 60 miles per hour today as a heavy snow band will be in parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, and it will swirl its way around those areas. We cannot rule out flurries or light flakes in our southern counties tonight, combined with some wind. But as we go through the overnight hours, this will be our best chance of some accumulating snow here. Things start to push into Sioux Falls, Watertown, and in toward the Twin Cities as we go through Saturday. This could be very heavy snow, but the wind looks like it will be subsiding a little bit. And that's good news, but still some treacherous travel conditions there. Now, heading into Sunday, believe it or not, the snow potentially will continue fairly light in our area with the dry air over us, but again, a chance for a flake or two. Here's a look at the snowfall potential with this system, 8 to 18 inches for a number of locations along the core path of the system from eastern South Dakota through near the Twin Cities into Wisconsin. Twin Cities, pretty good bet for 6 to 12 inches of snow for our area, a trace for most. But as you go south of Sisseton, those amounts are going to ramp up fairly quickly. Blizzard and winter storm warnings continue for this system. Travelers, check out the latest right here or on valleynewslive.com. It's pretty steady in the 30s as we go through the day. Tomorrow, 36, the peak temperature, and everyone will see 30s. Best chance of snow in our far south and southeast counties should be minimal. A lucky sunrise on Kyle's birthday. Happy birthday. A very colorful photo. Take a look at your planning forecast. Because we missed the snow, the sunshine goes to work on Sunday. We're ramping it back up to near 40 degrees. And I think you'll have something of a smile on your face with this forecast, a little more spring-like. Numerous days in the 40s, a good shot at 50s here and there. Wednesday's system could bring some snow, but models are still out to lunch on this one. They haven't agreed yet. We'll let you know when they do.
This area a little bit luckier than other areas, for sure.
Absolutely. Yeah. A big storm.